Hey, it's Jennifer with Directly Jen. Thanks so much for ordering your mailing labels with Directly Jen. This video is going to show you how to upload them to Vistaprint to get the best possible outcome for your print project. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to click on Labels and Stickers, and you're going to go to Mailing Labels. You are then going to select the size of large. Now just keep in mind, this is not 4 sheets of them. This is like 4 of them or 12 of them. So just keep that in mind. It's 4 to sheet for these. So when you're deciding how many you want to order, that's how you figure it out. So we're going to go ahead and click on Upload Your Design. I've already uploaded it, so just FYI, I'm not going to actually do the upload, but I'm going to show you what to do. You're going to download the PDF print file that I have emailed you, and you are going to upload it to Vistaprint. So we're just going to go ahead and click on that there. That looks pretty awesome. Now we're going to go to Next. Yeah, it looks fantastic. Yay. Continue to my cart. Then you're just going to go ahead and go continue to cart once they let you do that, because they're just going to try and sell you a bunch of stuff. And then once you get to your cart, oh, apparently I've added 12 of them twice, but that's okay. Once you get to your cart, I suggest, if you don't have it already, get Rakuten, because you do get cash back for shopping with Vistaprint and at other retailers. Definitely a great way to save some money right now. They have coupon codes too, but at the moment, right now, this 40% off site-wide is just killer. You're not going to find anything better than that. So if that pops up, don't change the code. FYI, you get $30 for signing up with Rakuten and using it, and I get a $30 referral bonus. So just letting you know and being upfront about that, that's how it works. So that's how you upload your mailing labels to Vistaprint. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I'll do my best to help you troubleshoot your problems. Thanks again for shopping Directly Jen.